Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add card to Google Play Wallet on Google Pixel. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to download the Google Wallet app, so make sure you have installed this application. Now just open this up and make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, on the bottom right hand side you'll see an option for add to wallet. Tap on it. Now over here you'll see an option for payment cards at the top. Tap on it. Now there you'll have to enter your card details like your card number, the expiration date, and also the security code. Then you'll just need to accept the terms. Now you'll need to verify your card. You'll see different options like text me a code, sign into bank app, or call your bank. So just follow the steps of the method you like. Now here you'll see the option of turning on NFC if your phone has this feature. Now once your card is added, at the bottom you'll see an option for Explore Wallet. Tap on it, and here you'll see an option for making Google Wallet your default app. You can do this manually by going into your settings, and then over here you'll see an option for connected devices. Tap on it. Now here you'll see an option for NFC. Tap on it, and then you'll be able to turn this on, and then on the default wallet app make sure to choose Google Wallet. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.